We're looking at a new and improved Avcoor. His strength has increased. I guess he's been playing more. Um, Laynd's still good. I did not qualify for the top 8. Man, that sucks. I'll find out who beat me later. Excuse me, but we're going with Avcoor. We're going to bet it all on Avcoor. Because I think he's the best player on our server right now. And he's starting off right, so this is a typical Avcoor start. Wow, this is the typical Avcoor start, man. He just... Man, this sucks. There's Avcoor's one. Wow, that's nasty. It's over, man. Damn, that was nasty. Good grief. Wow, that was nasty. That was nasty. Well, you seen it, man. That was amazing. Anyways, hit you later.